Hello, my name is Car. I am from Hot Wheels Car. I am going to unbox this Play Panda magnetic squares by Play Panda. Let's unbox it. For that, I am going to press this button many times. I am showing you how to do. Oh, it's up. That's pretty cool. It can do like that and it can open like that. It's open time. Wow, it has given me a book, a board, and then I can make a lot of magnetic puzzles and 4 bird chants. Let's build. So for that I'm clicking this side and and taking this. Mr. Car, you please go. Okay. For that we have to make first stand. For stand there are 2 different parts that you can see and 2 different parts that you can see. Let's fix it. For that I am placing one part here, dropping one part here like that. It's making an airplane. But now I am making a board. And next it should be done. Let me unbox it. Oh my god, fall down. Mr. Car, I need your help. Please come. Okay, what do you help? Please help me how to do this. Okay, take this part. Okay, I'm taking this part and take this part. This part? No. I'm taking this. Okay, and fold it diagonally like that. Yeah, very good. Thanks. For that, and second part, you have to take like this part, okay, and place it like that. Very good. Now you have to take this part and do same. Okay. Mr. C, I have made a stand. Can you tell me it's correct? Yeah, it's too correct. Okay, now you can place board. Okay, for placing board, I am doing like that, and it's done. Okay, guys, you can see the board. It's pretty cool. First, and take book, side of a board. Tell what you make. Can you please make C of that? Okay, I am making C for Mr. Car. Okay, for that I am taking board and making C. Let's start. For that, this I am making a green C because Mr. Car's color is green. Okay. Wait, Mr. Car, I am taking all parts of C. Yeah, that's pretty good. C, green part, and place it like that. Place it like that. We have to make till 5 here for Mr. C. Mr. C is our car. Okay, that's a spelling. Mr. C our car. Wow, awesome name. Okay, I have taken some pieces of green. The lower side is black and the upper side is green. Like that. Pop. Let's make it 1, 2, 3. And that's come 4. Okay. And that's come 5. Okay. Now 5 down. Okay. I have to take maximum 9 pieces more to make full C. So I have 1 piece, so I can take 9 piece, or agar I have no 1 piece, so I can take 10 piece. Okay. 1, 2. Please count for me. Please count for me and Mr. C. Okay. 5. No problem. I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's at 6. Write in comments. 7, 8, 9. Oh, that's pretty good. Now I am going to do like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. I think I have made C. Okay, I'm making it tilted into perfect C. Like that. Very good. So see, Mr. C, Mr. Ka, I have made C for you. Okay, that's very good. Now you can explain. I am going. Bye. Sorry. Okay, I am explaining. This magnetic puzzle, as you know, is from Play Panda. This is for age 5 to 99. It cannot use till 3 years because choking hazard small parts. Small parts not for 3 years old. This is display stand. See, that's how Mr. Car told me how to do. It has white side and black side. Okay, and I have made in white side. And the best thing is, it is made in India. Okay, so if you like my video, I will give you shout out. So please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Bye. Bye, Mr. C. Bye, guys. Bye. See you in next video of unboxing. Bye. Thank you.